back to another vlog. So for today's vlog, yes, as you have seen from the title, I finally enrolled in a driving class. So for those who do not know me well, I do not have a sense of direction. And my friends, my family, even my boyfriend can attest to that one. But given the circumstances and the issues with the public transportation and about risking your health, and of course our priorities are health, so it's better if I'll just learn how to drive so we could navigate around and not compromise our health just to go to somewhere. You get what I mean? I hope that makes sense. Anyway, with that being said, yes, I enrolled to Gear 1 in Pavilion. They have different branches, but I enrolled specifically in Pavilion. And I'll just link here, or I'll just write down here their exact address. And at the description box, I'll link their Facebook and other social media accounts so you can check them out. Yes, driving schools can now operate. And I have to say that from the start, from my application for the student license to from the very beginning, everyone from Gear 1 was so attentive to what I need, and they have explained everything, all their packages, all their services that they could offer me, especially for a beginner. You know, this part is very crucial because it is your foundation for driving. And I have to say kudos to them for really being patient with me, and especially to my instructor. But sir, I forgot your name. Probably when I meet you next week, I'll try to ask you for it. Well, I was so focused on every lesson and on the pedals and on the wheels. That's why... These clips were shot by my mom. Yes, I was able to brought my mom with me. And I have took the package executive if you are interested. And yes, I drove an SUV. It's a big car simply because we're getting a bigger car this time. Okay, so my instructor taught me all about the buttons on my left side. So from how can I change my side mirror, how could I adjust it, how could I, you know, the things like that, how could I lock and unlock the car, how could I put up the windows and such, you know, all the basic. But I wasn't able to get that on video. I'm so sorry. But in the next clips, you will be able to see the parts that he taught me about, okay? So I'll just show you what are those.
9 and 3. Sa orasan na siya kinuha. Okay? Pag humawak kayo ng manibela, ma'am, huwag yung hihigpitan. Ha? Baka sobrang higpit. Kayo lang din po mahirapan, ma'am, na ikutin yan. Naka niya? Okay? Okay? Kapag naman po itataas naman natin siya, ilalak natin, ma'am, doon naman po, hindi nyo na kailangan pinutin yung button. Hindi na. Okay, tinataas lang siya. Pag yan itinaas siya, ma'am, na po, okay? Tutulugin, ma'am, click. Ganun gagawin yan eh. Okay? Yun, ma'am, yung mga lock niya. So, habang tinataas naman siya, pahigpit yung lock ng ating handbrake. Okay? Kaya pag kayo po yung mag-handbrake, ma'am, na po, hindi, ma'am, kailangan yung itodo-todo, sagad. Kasi pagka ganun, ma'am, dun lang siya mas madaling masira. Din pong cambio transmission. Lilipat kayo ng gear, ma'am, lalo nga po dito sa 4, PRND. Kailangan tayo po yung naka-stop. Okay, tunyo mo na siya. Tatapa kayo ng preno. Sa kanya na siya pwedeng ilipat, ma'am. So total stop, ma'am, ha. Okay, baka kasi meron pang movement mo. Lilipat nyo agad, di rin pa rin pwede yun. Kailangan talaga nakita. Huwag na pupunta tayo dyan sa pedals nyo. Okay? So yan, ma'am, taga sa pag-drive na kailangan nyo pong kabisaduhin mabuti. Di ba? Dalawa lang naman po yan, ma'am. Siguro na po makakabisado nyo yan. Di ba? No? Okay? Yung nasa pinaka-right, ma'am, yun yung ating gas o accelerator. Nasa bandang kaliwa yung ating preno. Tandaan nyo mabuti, ha? Okay? Tapos sa pag-drive, ma'am, isang paa lang ating gagamitin, yung kanan lang po. Kasi baka dalawa pa gamitin nyo, no? Okay, yung kanan lang po. Okay? Iiwasan nyo rin, ma'am, o huwag nyo rin gagawin, ma'am, napalit-apply kayo ng gas, parang pinapump. Baka nyo bitawan. Ganon. Kasi maging takbo nyo, gagawin tayo, no? Di ba? So, para maging stable din, maging steady rin yung takbo nyo, i-steady nyo lang. Tapos kukunin nyo yung gusto nyo speed. Tapos steady nyo na pa nyo, para tuloy-tuloy siyang ganun. Okay? No? Wala pong tanong, ma'am. Ha? Sige po. Kung wala pong tanong ma'am, tayo po pumunta na po sa ating actual driving. Ating actual driving. Okay? Okay, ngayon, bago tayo mag-actual driving ma'am, pakipirmahan po muna, tayo na po. Yun sa may check. Tapos sa inyo lang yan.
Okay, so this time, after about 20 minutes of teaching me all the things that I needed to know, so I could actually was able to run a car on my own, at least. And I have to say, I was so nervous about it, but as mentioned, my instructor was so patient with me, and he tells me everything that I need to do. Like, okay, if you're on this part and there's another car, all you have to do is to move the car away from it, and if the front was already away from it, it's fine, you could just go straight. And I think for a beginner, those kind of information were the things that I needed the most, and I'm so glad that he's telling me about this stuff.
Ay, alay niyo pwede niyo, hindi ko tayo ha. Pasapal ma'am, hindi ko tayo ng kanon dyan, no? Forward tayo. So, ayusin natin sa kanan tayo. Okay lang kahit medyo lumayo kayo ng kanan. Okay pa? Para dumiretso kayo ma'am. Kapag diretso natin yung dala, signal ka mo sa right. Taas. Forward mo pa. Pag tupat ang unahan mo sa may kanto, di ba? Saka kang hinumin mo. Oo, pwede kang hinumin mo. Kasi dyan tignan mo yung huwag mo aabotin yung nasa unahan. Taka na, kung hindi ka naabot. Pwede mo lang siya ganyan. Kapag siya malapit ang dumiretso, balik mo na ngayon. Pa. Yan, straight. Tapos basta pag dumiliko ka.
This part is my first major turn. Yes, we're driving on our village. That's why the streets were kind of small and there's a lot of cars around. But I managed to get out from our village and drive all the way to Paseo. So if you're from the south, you know what am I talking about? And that's about, I don't know how many kilometers away. Probably I'll just put it here. How many kilometers was that? And yeah, I managed to do so. And you know, as I was driving, there were big cars. Not cars, but there were trucks and buses on my side. And every time they're gonna pass by me, I would have to stop for the first minutes. But then I eventually was able to, you know, just drive calmly.
Medyo na-right yung konti naman ma'am. Power mo, right yung konti. Okay, konti straight ma'am. Medyo ma'am ano, gumigilid lang kayo dyan sa left. Kaya medyo mas sa right na kasi may masigip ang ating pagtanda. So huwag nyo masalig na. May tatansya yun. Pag medyo alangan mo, kaya hindi yun. Very good. Yan, pag wala kasunod mo, medyo parang sa pwede niya.
able to go at the back of the South Hospital, if that's what you call it. And on that part, I do not have a clip anymore because my mom was so scared because the instructor was teaching me how to maneuver. So it's like turning, if there's a dead end and you have to go back from where you came from, so you have to maneuver. And he taught me the 3 steps maneuver. What you could search about it because I don't have video and I cannot explain it to you either because I'm getting confused again with my left and right. And when you're driving, you badly need those left and right, and you just have to be so imaginative.
Ngayon ma'am, sa pag-reverse ma'am natin, ay ngayon nakita niyo ma'am ito, yung gilid ma'am, no? Yung gano'n. So yun maging guide ma'am natin.
My instructor keeps reassuring me that I'm doing well, that I'm very good. You know, he keeps saying, oh, no, mom, you're so good. Yeah, very good. You're driving well. Okay, steady your hand. Okay, do not drive too fast. Okay, feet away from the accelerator. Try to brake more. You know, those kind of stuff. I think, reassuring me that I'm doing well boosts my confidence when driving. And I really like that about him. And even my mom was telling me, you know what, I like this instructor. He was so light, yet whatever comes out on his mouth was so encouraging and so useful. I think he's the best teacher I ever had, aside from my academic stuff, you know. I have a best teacher as well. Anyway, so he's been driving for 8 years. I'll talk about it on my next vlog. Anyway, all you have to know is that I drove all the way to Paseo, and I am so proud of myself. And oh yeah, I was This video is actually being filmed after my second day because I wasn't able to make an intro and outro about it because I was so nervous. I have mentioned many times in this video, but I was so happy that I did not imagine myself being the driver because, you know, I just do not like the feeling of being responsible for others' life too much. And when you're driving, you're actually responsible for your passengers' lives, for the lives of the people on your surroundings, and you know, the such. So yeah, I keep talking a lot and I have to edit it pa. So that's it for this vlog, and I hope I was able to share with you something. And I'll see you on my next one. Bye!